Sega Saturn.
We are 5 years away from entering the 21st century. Ready for the future.
Everybody supersonic racing, gotta keep your feet right on the ground. When you're supersonic racing, there's no time to look around. When you're supersonic racing, running to the point of no return. Everybody supersonic racing, come on, let the fire burn. Everybody supersonic racing, gotta keep your feet right on the ground. When you're supersonic racing, there's no time to look around. When you're supersonic racing, running to the point of no return. Everybody supersonic racing, come on, let the fire burn. Everybody supersonic racing, gotta keep your feet right on the ground. When you're supersonic racing, there's no time to look around. When you're supersonic racing, gotta keep your feet right on the ground. When you're supersonic racing, there's no time to look around. When you're supersonic racing, running to the point of no return. Everybody supersonic racing, come on, let the fire burn. Everybody supersonic racing, gotta keep your feet right on the ground. When you're supersonic racing, there's no time to look around. When you're supersonic racing, running to the point of no return. Everybody supersonic racing, come on, let the fire burn. Everybody supersonic racing, gotta keep your feet right on the ground.
I just shit out my ass, threw it on my PC, cause I need me to get that Fortnite battle pass. I like Fortnite, did I mention Fortnite? I like Fortnite.
Supersonic racing, there's no time to look around. When you're supersonic racing, running to the point of no return. Everybody supersonic racing, come on, let the fire burn.
Certified pony moment.
What the fuck's name are you doing? Oh!
Good morning, every pony! Good morning, every pony! Oh my goodness, welcome in everybody, welcome in! How we doing? It's Thursday. Oh my goddamn, I almost zoned out when I was starting there. I was like, oh, it's the end of the song. Oh, I have to get ready. Oh shit, oh, damn! But hey, welcome in guys. It's Ponytown Chill Day. We're gonna be hanging out, we're gonna be being silly today. Welcome in. How we doing? Good morning, every pony. Thank you for the resubs, Blanc and Cretans, aka Domo in chat. Hello, everybody. How is everyone? Oops. Welcome in. Let me say hi to everybody. Fallen, hello. Hello, Cotton. Hello, Tuna. Hello, Void. Hello, Void, and good night, Void. Luna, welcome in. Lucky with the pinball today.
Huh?
Lucky is picking up Karnan's legacy here. With the 10k pinball, mind you. 10k channel points. God motherfucking damn. Seaball, welcome in. Who else we got in here? Who at first, by the way? Puppers, hello. Blanc, hello. Thank you for the resub. And have a good stream, my man. Me and Blanc stream at the exact same time today. Let me scroll as much as I can. Goddamn, I'm glad y'all are doing good. It's so snowy here today. It is big snow today. Holy shit. I saw Drecky in here. Also, Water Drop, hello. Ed, thank you for the lurks. Welcome in. Oh, Fall got first. Let's fucking go. Top Hat, hi. Welcome in, guys. All right. Welcome in, everybody. I gotta say every pony. I gotta be on theme today. Also, I know Luna is in chat. Loon, sorry, why did I say Luna? See, I'm a little sleepy today. I know Loon is in chat. Loon, if you're there right now, I am being a model today that I couldn't be last stream. This is gonna be the look today. Hi, Nart, I saw your horns. I'm so excited to see everybody. Oh, fuck, get it in my head. I gotta see every pony. All right, let's get on over here. Good morning. How we doing? I'm silly today. We're gonna be a little silly guy today. That's what I'm feeling. You know what? This is the energy. That's what it's all about. Hey, Star, what's up? Welcome in. Let me get a big shout out for you, Star. How you doing? It was good seeing you in VR chat the other day. How you been? Ow! Grommet mug. Wait, Nart, you got the Grommet mug. Let's go. Nickname, hello. Welcome in. Hi, Seg. I'm trying not to freak out over blood work. Oh, you have blood work tomorrow? Oh, you're gonna do great. You're gonna do so good. I know it. I know it can be a little scary, but it'll be good. It'll be good, I promise. How do you survive it? I just don't look at what they're doing. Last time I got blood work, that's what helped me. When they were taking my blood, I just looked away the whole time and I was distracted. Yeah. At least that worked for me. I'm doing really good. I'm excited to be hanging out today with every pony. Some of y'all are saying you haven't played this game in ages, and I'm like, me too. Last time we played it was last week, technically, when we were doing a co-work stream, and I was like, holy shit, I need to get back into this because there's so many cool stuff in there. People do so many cool things. Oh, I'm very impressed. I'm very excited to see what everyone does today too, or we're just gonna be hanging out, really. We're gonna be hanging out, running around. Also, if you're curious about what server we're playing on, check the pinned. But I will say it right now, we are playing on the safe server today, just to be safe. Plus, my streams aren't even 18 plus, so it wouldn't make sense to be on the 18 plus. It wouldn't make sense. Yeah, but I hope we're all doing good today. It is snowing like crazy here today. And I mean crazy, it hasn't stopped since noon. It hasn't stopped since noon, bro! So I'm just a little concerned. Might be working from home tomorrow. Who knows? By the way, all of the redeems are redeemable that are on today. I did set up a new one that works with this model, which is the IRL one. So, I mean, it kind of works. Kinda. Because you can't really do that with Sunny, but I made it work the best I could. Ichigo, hi! Welcome in! But yeah, guys, hello! It is so good to see everybody. Happy Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Oh, tracking. My iPhone is charged. Is charged today. It was not on Tuesday, but that's okay. Excuse me. Guys, how we been? How's the week been? Anything fun happen? Anything interesting? Let me tell you some news on the internet. Let me tell you some internet news. For anybody who's a fan of the Barbie movies, the official Barbie YouTube released almost every single Barbie movie on their YouTube for free to watch. You know what that means? Maybe some more Barbie movie nights. Maybe. We'll see. But that's really nice. That's really nice. Not too big news. It's been a busy week. I feel that. Work has been like too much. That's awesome. You know what? Let's go look. Let's go take a look at the Barbie YouTube. I'm curious now. Let's go see. I want to go look at, let me look. Dude, the Barbie movies are such a classic. I need to watch 12 Dancing Princesses again. That was my personal favorite. That's just mine. I watched that one so many times on a road trip with my sister. Love! I know! We've been a pretty ride this weekend. You're going to the mall! Let's fucking go. Big shopping day, big shopping moment. I love that. Okay, wait, we're... Official Barbie! Okay, wait, this happened a month ago. What do you mean, Barbie? Oh, they're all here. Jesus fuck. Jesus Christ! I wasn't lying! Okay, check this shit out. Okay, let's move over here real quick. Let me scoot over. Let me scooch over here. Look at this! OBS. Look at it! 8 days ago, so they're just posting a fuck ton of movies. I think they're going in chronological order. Is this the mermaid one? A Mermaid Tale 2? Mermaidia? Mermaidia. Whoa, I remember that guy. Dude! Bro, I'm about to binge the Barbie movies. What the fuck? What if I just have a Discord bot in my Discord that just plays all of the movies for like a week straight? They're all here! Everybody's here! But you know who is also here? Very important. Let me find it. Where is it? Where is it? This! Oh, there's our man! Wait. Wait, where's our boy? Shh. Be quiet, Barbie. I want to find the guy who's trying to... This man! I love him.
Boss, you don't want to wake her up, do you? She's a royal.
She's a royal, all right.
Brother! Oh my god, hi Zillows! Welcome in! We're just watching Barbie movie now. I want to watch his singing part.
Who interrupts my slipper? Slumber,
Is this...
stonehead.
Wait, where's the part where he's singing? It's a momentary setback. I think it's up here.
She could be hurt. You're fine.
It doesn't add up. Why would she run away?
The quality is not great, I will say. The quality goes up to 720, but that's just how the old Barbie movies were.
Why don't you see for yourself? Station.
I love him. I love him. Wait, I gotta find the song. But anyway, every single Barbie movie is on YouTube. This is a big dub. This is a big win. Also, Zealous, I hope you're doing good. Thank you for the big sheep. I wish, God damn. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try one more. I don't even remember where it is. I don't even remember at this point. That's okay. That's okay. But this is The Princess and the Pauper. Probably one of the top Barbie movies, bro. Probably one of the top Barbie movies.
From him.
Oh, I forgot about his fuck-ass dog.
This imposter. Together they took the princess and hid.
King shit. Anyway, that's Barbie. I watch all the damn Barbie movies now. Oh, I need to guys. I'm subscribing to Barbie. Subscribe. So they made this account in January of 2025, and they've just been uploading the movies to it. Wow, that's pretty fucking great. Are the Barbie movies at a point where they're like low-key like domain, whatever the thing is? Free domain? Hi, Grey Beret, welcome in! How you doing? We're talking about the Barbie movies. I remember the one fish from the Barbie mermaid movie. It's always the if you guys want, so if for some of y'all in chat, I know you guys are very much like YouTube documentary, like yapping video. You know, if a YouTube video is 6 hours long, that's the good stuff, you know? So if you guys want a really good like video to put on to like, you know, just fill the brain. Ted, what is it? What's his full name? Ted something. His name's Ted. He did an entire Barbie movie watch through. The video, Ted, yes, thank you, Flower. Ted did a fucking, like, it's like a 10-hour video of him watching every single Barbie movie and rating every aspect of it. And it's a really good video. And if you ever want to like do a review of just the movies without actually watching them yourself, I highly suggest that one, because he literally has to like, he literally goes in depth of every single Barbie movie. And I'm like, holy shit. I could never. I do too. They're actually really good. I got those white boy Oshis on YouTube right now. I got Ted Navision. I got Curtis, Connor, and there's one more. I forget his name. He's the this move would make LeBron cry. He's that guy. He's that guy. But anyway. Yeah, it reminds me of watching all 4 Despicable Me. Oh my god. Painful.
Hello.
Oh, Dilly. Oh yeah, hi Sushi, welcome in. I've been starting to use YouTube commentaries as background noise. Yeah, me too. It works. It helps a lot when I'm at work. I often use Windigoon when he posts a new video or he does like a stream VOD. I love that. It's just good information. It's like What else? What else is new? Oh, guys. Hey guys. Happy Steam sale. Hope you left your wallets at home. The Steam sale is going on for 7 days, a week, starting today. Happy Steam sale. Ooh, has anyone gotten anything yet? I don't know yet. I don't know what to get. I got one game. Funny enough, I got one game and it's a game for stream. Oh, I gotta buy another one. Steam, please stop taking my money. Steam, please stop taking my money where I will buy a game and then not play it. I only bought it because the price was good. Yeah. I need to buy a horror game that I'm actually gonna play next week. Shout out to Rion for telling me about it. But I'm not gonna spoil what it is. It's fairly new though. It's a fairly new horror indie game. So that'll be next week. I think. I gotta see what I'm up to next week. But regardless, we're gonna play it soon because it's giving Observation Duty, but different. The Steam sale is here! The Steam sale! Ringing the Steam sale bell. Will I ever get anything done this month? Word. Guys, it's almost the middle of March. Can you believe it? Can you believe it, guys? March. I need to start planning for April 1st. I need to start planning. Luckily, I already know what I'm doing for my stream on April 1st, so that's at least most of it done. But then I gotta do the rest, so. And you guys know how hard I go for April Fools. I go a little silly. I go real silly. So we'll see. Funny enough, I'm in the middle of buying Undertale for a friend. Isn't Undertale $1 right now? $1 Undertale! $1! Guys, buy Undertale. It's $1. Honestly, wait, it's $1 USD. How much is it Canadian? Probably $2. Fuck. God damn. Actually, I already got Undertale when it was free. Hold on, let me look. Undertale! Oh, no, it is $1. It's it's $1. Hello, tracking. I don't know why this model stopped tracking. Undertale is $1.09. $1.09. Oh, I guess with tax. No, true. Yeah, you're right, Top Hat, with tax. Oh, that's so silly. I like the theming for this Steam sale this year, though. The little aliens, little alien planet. Very cute. Very cute. Yeah. Undertale says the Dark Ages. That's like me with Among Us. I bought Among Us. Well, I didn't buy Among Us. That's the thing. I got it when Among Us was free. When? Hold on. Hold on. Real talk. Short. Hi, Void. Welcome, Aeon. Hold on. Among Us. Also, what's Ponytown? Ponytown is an online multiplayer game where you can customize your character. It's free, by the way. It's a free online multiplayer game. Baffy! And we're gonna be hanging out. So it's literally just like an online multiplayer, and you can all just hang out and be silly. Hold on, let me look at my Among Us. By the way, guys, some shark lore. Some shark lore, if you will. I've never played Among Us in my life. ever. I have 0 hours in this game. When did I add it to my library? Can I see that? Can I like go back in time? Shit. I'm curious now. I don't know. Hello? Where does it say like added to library? I don't know. I can't see it. I can't find it. Town of Salem. That is another classic. That is another classic. Information. Release date 2018. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. I tried. And you try so hard, but you don't succeed. Okay, actually, speaking of stimming, because I was just doing that. Guys, I'm cooking up a new redeem. So, if anybody has any very specific stim audios that they stim up, we currently have a channel in my Discord called Suggestion Zone. And if you have any audios that you want to include in this redeem, because it's literally just going to be a redeem where Maury, this guy, where Maury spits stims. For those who know Moon Bitch or Runex, they also have stim commands and redeems. So we're gonna do the same thing. So hi, husband. Hi. Thanks for the big hug. How are you? Welcome in. He spits at you. Pooey. Yeah. So if anybody, yeah.
Meow.
Hi, Ika. Yo, it's a great white shark. Ika. I was watching Voxid do your model today. It's looking so good. Holy shit, the detail. Oh my god, welcome in. Yeah! Let me shout out Ika. Thanks for the follow, Marshall. How you doing? Yeah, Ika, dude. It's looking amazing. Why didn't Rebo go? Rebo should have went. Rebo! Pookie is broken. Pookie! Wait a sec. Well, that works. Oh, never mind. What?
Hello.
Ow! Maybe Pookie isn't broken. That's weird. Why did it work? Wait, there's two different... Oh, I forgot there's a BGTV one. I'm silly. Ow, I'm silly. I'm excited. Me too. Ika, I'm so excited. You got a lot cooking. I'm very excited. Ah! I'm definitely gonna ask for the what's up, guys. I'm 16. Never... Yes! So even if you don't have the audios, by the way, here's the Discord for anyone who wants to put stims in. Here's the Discord, Suggestion Zone. Even if you just type what it is, I can probably end up finding the audio myself. So just, you know, feel free if you want. I'm probably gonna start adding it probably this weekend, if I have time. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm already in. Yeah, of course. You guys, if you want to start playing Ponytown right now, you know, customize your ponies. Fuck yeah, I'll be yapping for a little bit here, but then we'll get in. And we'll hang out and be silly. I'm excited to see what we can see. I probably played Ponytown like for 20 minutes the other night, and I saw so much shit. I saw Smosh, and mouthwashing, and Transformers. There was a lot. Yeah! We gotta do a big group, please. Yes, we should. Guys, we should all make the same pony and just like do a raid or something. I don't know what we would do, but we could do something funny. That's a great idea, actually. God damn, I gotta get everybody in the same group. I don't know how many people are allowed in a Ponytown group, but I gotta make a new one. Oh my gosh, yeah. But yeah, if anybody wants to put stims in the stim redeem, it'll be open like endlessly, but right now if you want to collect specific ones, I have to do there's a McDonald's in the Pentagon. There's a McDonald's in the Pentagon. I gotta get that sound. It's an obvious one. And then I gotta get a few others. So, yeah. J Street, I didn't even really see it, any of a lap of mouthwashing. I already forgot. Right? Mouthwashing came and went beautifully, to be honest. It's still around. The fandom still thrives. But when mouthwashing was in its prime, like when mouthwashing was born, it was such a beautiful fandom to witness. The art, I don't think I've ever seen more beautiful art from any other fandom in my life. At least, you know, of recent than mouthwashing. Holy fuck. Holy shit. I need to actually like play that game myself. Don't get mad at me. I watched a lot of other people play it, but Paul Revere's Ponytail Squad. The British are coming. That could be funny. That could be really funny if somebody like ran ahead yelling, the British are coming, and then we all just ran. We just ran behind them. Did you hear about the movie trailer of McDonald's? The movie what?
Huh?
What? Say psych. Oh my god, this is the best Fluttershy I've ever seen. Oh, by the way, guys, if you did want to take screenshots of the Ponytown stuff, like if you see anything cool, like any fun cosplays, feel free. And you can put them in the screenshots channel of the server. I love seeing people's cosplays, dude. It's so cool. Buh! Huh? Mouthwatch is extremely hard to watch, but oh, exactly. Exactly. It's a very, very graphical, beautiful game. But yes, very, very heavy game. But I love it. I love it. Woo! All right. Well, I think we gotta play some pinball first because a little Lucky in chat is doing the Carnan thing. Yes? Are you good? Okay. Speaking of creatures, we have Herman here. Squid!
I can't really bite it.
Fucking dumbass!
Hi, Squid! Thank you for the sub! Oh my god! Thank you so much. Hi, Timmy. Thank you for 3 months sub. What the freak? How you doing?
Fish noises.
Right? You know what I'm saying? Let me shout you out. How you been? Guys, Vera is another Vera's another shark VTuber. Wait, no, squids hunt sharks. Run! That's the funny part. That's the funny part, Sushi. Vera is a shark. Vera is a frilled shark VTuber, right? Did I get that right? I'm pretty sure I did. Moink. How you doing? Thank you so much. I'm doing great. I'm doing so good. We're just about to get into gaming, but first, I gotta play pinball. I gotta play pinball. Pinball? Huh? Pinball is over 10K now. Thanks, guys. It's gonna get, you know what? It's gonna get to like, if I'm thinking how many streams I do in a year, and it goes up by 500. 500. It could get close to 50K by the end of the year. Got the frills and the gills. Here for thrills. You know what? Bars. Bars. I hope you're doing good. It's good to see you. All right, guys. Let's scoot over here. Let's scootaloo. Let's scoot the boot on over to this scene right over here. All right. Woo! Nice. We're all set up. Glorious. Oh yeah, check this out. Let me redeem it myself. We have this model can now participate in. I'm surprised nobody made me bald. Wait, where is it? Did I not turn it on? I didn't. What? Dude, I'm silly. I didn't turn it on. Okay, well now it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even matter. Thank you, thank you, Top Hat. Hold on, I gotta go turn it on. I gotta go turn it on. I'm a bad streamer. I thought I literally like made it today, and then I just didn't turn it on. Hi, Noi. I hope you had a good birthday. Welcome in. Hold on. I didn't turn it on. I did turn it on. Where is it? Girl? Oh, there it is. Okay, anyway. Anyways. Freak. Oh, just doing my job! Oh! Yeah! I like that one. That's a good one. That's a good one. All right, let's do this, baby. Come on, Barbie. I can't believe all the Barbie movies are real. Hi, Fanbot. Welcome in. It's good to see you. How you doing? How's you doing? Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. I hope you've been well. Ah! All right, let's get through this, and then we can pony it up. If anybody remembers where we were last time, that's kind of where I'll be spawning, I think. I also added live to my username so people know I'm live streaming, hopefully. Good birthday! Yeah, I saw your pictures from it. That's sick. That's awesome. You don't know what to look like and it's a problem. You can be whatever you want. That's the best part. You can be whoever you want. Whatever. I have so many characters in that game. A lot of them are my OCs. I even have a Danny Phantom pony. Are we not doing Ponytown? Sushi, I gotta play pinball first. Give me a minute. This was a redeem. Give me a sec. I'm just a little guy. Danny! I gotta do the rules. Them's the rules. Chat loves to put pinball first. Good job! Yeah! I'm excited to see what everybody makes. And what everybody chooses to look like. Ah! Hordes! Oh my god, Fritzer! You're here on Pony Day. This is crazy. Hi! How you doing? I gotta get those balls first, then ponies. Exactly. I gotta be balling first. Excuse me? Excuse me? Hold on. Give me a second. I side-eye so hard. What the fuck is going on? Oh, by the way, I do want to make, like... I want to make a highlight for this model, but it's going to be getting updates in the near future. Well, I can't say that because I actually have no idea, but it will be getting updates eventually. There are plans for said updates. I just don't know when they're going to be. Ooh! All right. I also gotta get my Ponytown set up. I didn't bring the browser up yet because Google Chrome eats my shit. So I'm like, I'll just wait. That's a good noise. That's a good noise. I'll take it. Oh! Oh! Ika! I don't know if you're still in chat or lurking, but I saw your updates on your stickers, and they look so cute! I saw the sparkles. The sparkles. Oh my god! I love it. Where are you going? Oh, bonus? Ah, no! I failed. I didn't get that. I mean, I think it helps. I think it helps if you have graphic acceleration on. Woo! But yeah, I got no choice. Woo! I've never gotten that before. The bumper's there. I need to switch to Firefox so bad. Oh shit, it's stuck. No! Okay, we're cooking, we're cooking. What? Shee! What? God, I'm hearing noises I've never heard before. Whoa! Whoa! The magnet's on. The magnet is on too. That's crazy. Look at that! It's like, damn! The magnet in the middle is on. No! That was crazy. What was that? That was me getting bonus after bonus. Shee! That was crunch. That was good. That was good in the brain. No, it's okay. I got one more ball. I got one more ball. I know you guys will. I was just saying, it's gonna reach like 50K by the end of the year. At least! At least! The deploy the void. Deboyman. Ah! Damn. Wait, oh, I thought I got my high score. I didn't. I got my second high score. The one I played with Dylan is still on top. Hey, that's not too bad though. I'll take it. All right. That was some good shit. So I also have a coffee here. I was like, why isn't it going off? And then it did. Hi, Carnan! Lucky got the pinball for you today. And we got a pretty good score, not gonna lie. How is family time? How's your cousins? Welcome in. Good to see you. I have a coffee with me, and it's roll up the rim. So for any Canadians in the chat, it's roll up the rim, so I might win a car. So I'm gonna wait till I finish it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna boot up Ponytown. Reminder for the pinned message, we are playing in the safe server. I'm glad it's good! Welcome in! Carbonation. Had some banger honey garlic wings. Ah! I'm jealous. You know what I had for dinner? Potato salad. It was really good, actually. So Pony made, let's go! I had honey gar last night. Funny enough, I had honey gar last night for Wing Wednesday. Hi, Leo! Thank you for the crawlers. Leo is here, chat. It's the crawlers. I love those little dudes. Leo, how you doing? Welcome in. We're just about to get started, actually. What time is it? You know what? It's the perfect time. That's what it is. What is Blanc drawing? Sorry, I have Blanc stream up. All right, let me grab my browser. Ooh! We also popped by a grocery store and got this cubed cheese grape combo thing. Fancy! Stop! No, cheese, meat, and fruit is such a good combo. Come on. We literally just watched Ratatouille. You know this. We know this. We've been knowing. We've been knowing how to combine food. Exactly. Exactly. Okay, let me hold on. Can't hop in because I'm at D&D. Oh, have a good D&D. That's exciting. That's fun. Okay, let me goddamn get in the goddamn game, and then we can start here. Okay, it's nighttime. It's nighttime. Okay, this is my little pony. I'm Sunny. Okay. Oh! Oh, it's Tuna! Tuna found me first. Hi, Tuna. Hello. Why am I looking down? Oh, whoops. Otters fall. Slay. How do I join up? I'm here. Wait, let me find the map. I'm in like the top. You can't really see it. Hold on. Can I like make this bigger? There we go. I'm right here with a bunch of other peeps. So this is the whole map. This is spawn. You go down and you go far right here, and we're by the lake, right? The mini lake. That's where we are. I thought you were Danny. I can be Danny. You want me to be Danny Phantom? Here, I'll be Danny Phantom for a little bit. Well, just right now, because I want to keep my live tag on. That's my Danny Fenton, and this is my Danny Phantom. He's a phantom. I really like my Danny. I normally walk around in Danny Phantom because he's really cute. I like this pony. Got me good on Pringles. Did you guys see that Pringles is doing like a mystery flavor? That's weird. That's weird to me. Oh, that's a nice pony. I know. All right. Oh, there's Socrates. Hi. Oh my God, there's Cujo. Let's go. I don't trust mystery Pringles. Yeah, me neither. Someone was like, is that Mario? All right. Oh my God, I forgot. So there's a lot of, so in Ponytown, there's like places for fandoms. So a lot of the time fandoms will like sit in specific places. Normally there's like, I think the Transformers often sit over here. Yeah, there's a bunch of Transformers. Someone's a Tarn. There's a Tarn here, bro! This is perfect! And then all of the Willy's Wonderland will sit up here. It's crazy. Oh. Alright, we'll come back here. We'll wait for a bunch of people to chill. So yeah, we're top. Here's the map for anybody curious. We are all these dots right here. And I'll also add everybody to the group so we don't get lost. Oh, do I have to start a new group? Shit. Party. Leave party. I'll start a new one. Tar! What tarnation? Where art thou? Nart, we're back. We're where we ended off last time. Oh, you weren't here, I don't think. Here's the map. Here's the map. Yeah, there's specific locations for cliques and fandoms, which I love. Hi, Bacon. Hello as well. Welcome in. Dropping by to say hi. Oh my god, hello. Thanks for popping in. All I can hear is mine. This is a guy from Second Life going, oh, look at that. Look at that horse. I don't think I know that audio. At least I don't know it unless I hear it. Here's the map. I'll start a group once every pony's here. Oh my god! Fall in your mod is so cute. Stop. Let me zoom in a little. There we go. What's up, Noi? Oh my god. Everyone looks so good. I love it. Oh, Tuna! Your Hans is cute. I said you look like Hans. Yippee! Oh, I love it. Oh, there's Nart! Ah, there's Star! You guys are so cute. Let me add everybody. Look at us! Is one of you Kaleo? Is that, who's that? Is that Void in chat? I don't know help, I don't know where I am. El wee wee. Oh my god, whose feet? Who is feet? Look! Tuna, look, there's feet, there's hands up here! there's hands! There's someone's hands on the floor. That's really funny. Brethren, can you open the map? Yes. Here you go. So if you spawn, if this is spawn right here, we're like top right by this lake here, right in this little edge. It's you. Okay, awesome. Hell yeah. Let me add you. Everyone's so cute. Oh, it's Jinx Pony. Duck. Look at that duck. Loon! Oh my god! Loon is real. Loon is real. Boink. Everyone's so cute. I love everybody's interpretation of themselves. Wait, I gotta show you guys my shark-sided pony. She's actually scary, and I don't use her, even though she's canonically true to what shark-sided is. I love it. I love it. Oh! Hey guys, it's me. So excited. It's so old, change the tail. I know, they added so many new things too. It's crazy. Yeah, here, let me change back to Sunny. And here's the map again. Here's the map again. Biblically accurate. Lore accurate. Design accurate. Technically a cat, in stricter terms, kind of a shape-shifting shadow entity. Oh, cool! I love that. I love that! Oof! This pony's so old. Yeah, I might be getting nearby. Yeah, we're gonna chill here for a little bit. Hang out. Hang out, see what cosplays are here. The Princess Legis Nightmare. Okay, okay. If anybody needs the map, just let me know. Local! Local's here! Is this our local? I want to only assume. Oh my god, you're astronaut. Yeah, let's go! I'll add you. Wink. Local looks so cute. You guys are all so creative. Everyone's so creative. Look at everybody. Ah! I gotta take like a picture. And then there's just this random person on this bench. I don't know who this is. They're do not disturb menuing. Ah! So cute. The duck. I like the duck in the water. Help, is Cujo one of us? Yeah, Cujo is Lord Sushi in chat. Yeah. Oh, Ara's here! Ara's here! Hi, Ara! Hi! Beautiful. Beautiful! Oh man. I gotta wait till it's like a little daytime. Hello! Hi! How are you doing? A few years ago there was a big thing of making astronaut pony. Really? That's cool. I love the trends. The hands. I gotta see. We're excited to see. I'm excited to just walk around and see who's here. We gotta like tornado people. Doo doo. Momo is stuck. Girl. So cute. What a deer! Oh my god. Internet. Hey, what a deer! Oh my god! I didn't know there were deer antlers in this game. That's so cute. That's so cute. Let's go! I love everybody's goddamn critters. Horse tornado is my favorite weather. Slay! I love the hands. Oh my god, Local, what is that? Who is that? Ah, I love them. Dude, I love this game. This game is so pretty. It's been around for a while. When did Ponytown come about? It's been around for a while, hasn't it? Hold on. When was Ponytown created? 2021. Okay, so it hasn't been that long. Hi, Stryzex. Hi. How are you? It's good to see you. Low-key, I was thinking about you because I follow you on Instagram and I always see your stuff and it's so nice to see you. Hi. Oh, I did the wrong command. What the fuck? How you doing? How you been? How you been living? How you been living? What's up? What's up, gamer? Oh. What do I got? Oh, a flower, thank you. Oh, I ate it. Damn, I didn't know I've been playing since it came out. Shee! Yeah, I thought it was at least below the 2020s, but I guess not. I guess not. I should update my pony. Honestly, I was gonna update my pony a little bit because I wanted to put clothes on her. I'm gonna munch this. Thank you very much. Guys, please! I can't take every fucking flower. Oh, been good. How about you? Recently trying to return to the digital world. I've been really good. This year, low-key, this year's been kicking my fucking ass. But I've been good. I've been like pushing through. I've been good though. I would love to see you back again. Your streams are always such a vibe. Such a vibe. You know, let me give you the big shout. Everyone, if you're not already, go follow Stryzex. They're so cool. They're so cool and vibey. Hopefully come back to streaming soon. Yeah, I was introduced by my friend in high school. I played it a fuck ton last year with a bunch of people. It's so rough out here. It's you too. On God. Stop frolicking, go to Sunday school. Nuh-uh. Herman? What's up, baby? My cat's down there. This is my kitty. That's Herman. Oh! Also, when you type emotions in the chat, your pony makes those emotions. It's very silly. All right, if anybody also needs the map again, this is where we are. We are this bundle of objects. Bundle of circles here. Everyone looks so cute. Hi, Toast! Toast, are you here? Are you coming in? We're just sitting for right now. We're just hanging out. I'm coming! Everyone go follow Toast. Toast has made many of my emotes, by the way. If you did not know. If you didn't know. I guess 2021 was big release from my account. Oh! 2018. Oh! Okay, that makes sense. Hi, Twill! Welcome in. Welcome in. I love everybody pony. I also have one of my really old OCs on here, which is Fetero, which is I think it's Greek for feather. He's a griffin. He's an old griffin character. Literally one of my very first OCs. Fun fact. I also have Krieger, my D&D character. I got like everybody. And Danny Phantom. I like him. I like how I did them. Old OC Pog. OG. Sid is literally a pony? You like every pony? Oh god, for real. Toad! Oh, he's a raid! What's up, Raiders? Oh, let's go! Welcome in, everybody. The library. Hi, Brandy. Hi, Toad. Welcome in, every pony. Welcome in. You guys are just like coming on the top of an ad break, so I hope the timing works out. We're playing Ponytown today. What were you guys up to today? Welcome in, you lovelies. It's good to see you guys. Let me hit y'all with a vibe check. You ready? Let's get it. You already know the drill.
Let me tell you.
Welcome in, every pony. How y'all doing today? Welcome in. My name is Sharksided, or Sid if you don't know. I'm a variety streamer VTuber, and today's our community hangout. We're playing Ponytown. It's a free online multiplayer game where you can customize and pretty much make whatever you want. What were you guys up to today? Welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. Everybody on my end, please go give them a big check out. Oh, Kingdom Hearts. Kingdom Hearts Pog. I hope you guys had a good time. Delivery of Every Pony was great. I'm glad you think so. Yeah, there's a big group of us here right now. Everybody from people in chat. We're just hanging out. Oh, I realized you can't see my cursor. Oh, yes, yes you can. Never mind. Doesn't matter. All good. But yeah, welcome in, guys. Welcome in. I hope you guys had a great stream. We're probably gonna start running around quickly. But yeah, welcome
Mother,
in.
I am starving. Would you mind if I ate one of the raiders? The
No!
prettiest of, please.
No! We like the raiders here. Don't eat them. Please. Also, hey, if you guys gotta go run away after your stream, I totally get it. If you gotta lurk or hang out, you know, go eat. Yeah, go eat! I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good dinner, okay? Thanks for dropping off your peeps here. I appreciate it! Also, we do have ads coming up shortly, so maybe we'll start running around after ads, just so we're not interrupted. I want to go see. Oh my god, what the fuck? Toast, stop it! Stop it! I'm gonna splash you. Splash your feet. Splash your. Stop! Oh! Fart! Splash. Oh, Max. Oh, it's so cute. Hi, Bram. What's up? How you doing? Welcome in. How you doing?
Hello.
Oh, Dylan from the far field. What are you giving me? What is this? A flower? Thanks, bestie. Thanks. Okay. We should try and like, ow! We should try and find specific fandoms or like really obscure shit. That's what I want to find. I should go take a picture of that Tarn though. Speaking of Tarn, wait, let's get him up on screen. Where's my... There we go. Maybe you should... Oh, ow! Oh! A fetus. Oh. I remember the whole pony thing because some unfortunate knowledge. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean. All good. Shark, I just did a what animals can I take in a fight tier list with a friend. Fucker thought he could straight up kill a chimp. Bram, you just gotta show him the clip from the movie Nope. And then maybe he will change his mind. He's seen it? What? What? Did motherfucker say I'm built different or what? What the fuck? Man's just insane. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, built different. Built different. Oh! Alright, guys, ad break is coming up shortly. I'll just place my... Oh! I'm not stinky! Goddamn! I'm just gonna put myself right here. Alright, guys, we're gonna go on a quick ad break. I'm gonna go get more water. Well, since my coffee's all done. And we'll be back. We'll start walking around Ponytown as a big group if we want. Wait, have I always had VIP? You've had it since like a week ago? About a week ago. Hey, fuck it out, we tweak it, oh, tweak it. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Enjoy the break.
Riot, while Shark is gone.
Down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time. Slept in all my clothes like I didn't care. Hopped into a cab, take me anywhere. I'm in if you're down to get down tonight, 'cause it's always a good time.
This town rips the bones from your back. It's a death trap. It's a suicide rap. We gotta get out while we're young. 'Cause tramps like us, baby, we were born to run.
I like to make myself clean, turn it up, times slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I'm trying to go home, all of my change I spend on you. Where the time's gone, baby, it's all we are the plans we made for two. I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. They say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try?
Fuck that white man with that fucking gat. He think he gon' blow, he gon' let it splat. Crocodiles ain't having none of that.
There's something inside me that pulls beneath the surface, consuming confusing. This lack of self-control I feel.
Hatchet! Hi, everybody! Hi, every pony! What's up? What's up, Raiders? Welcome back from the ads as well.
This is my turf now. I feel so powerful. Mother, I wasn't doing anything.
Oh, yeah?
It's not what you think at all.
Oh, yeah, buddy?
I promise.
Okay. Raiders, welcome in! Hatchet! What the fuck is up, dude? What the fuck is up? Guys, we're playing Ponytown right now. What the freak? Raiders, welcome in. My name is Sharksided or Sid. And I got a little vibe check for you, okay? Let's get it!
Let me tell you.
Welcome in, every pony! How y'all doing? Welcome in, Hatchet. Guys, go follow Hatchet. Hatchet's so fucking cool. He's a fucking bat. He's a bat. He's really cool. Go give him a follow. Go give him a follow. We just got back from an ad break, so perfect timing, I do say. Perfect timing. And if you guys have to, you know, go relax after your stream, take care. Take care of yourself. How was Everhood 2? I heard that game is bumping, dude. How was it? Welcome in, everybody. Sorry, or should I say every pony. Welcome in. We just got back from an ad break. Thank you for the cookie. Toast, I'm gonna take away your VIP. Kidding. It's so good. I need to watch, like, first of all, I need to play the first one, and then I gotta get on the second. I've read 2. I need to go track down the soundtrack. I know. I think I watched, like, the demo for it. Holy shit. Bumping, dude! Also, I heard there's a shark guy. Where'd the Pikmin go? Where'd the Pikmin line? Where did he go? I'm trying to find him before he disappears. Where's the Pikmin? I don't know where he is. Oh, he's up there! He's up there by the pink pony! Oh! Hi, Jokey! Hey, Shark, just in case noticed, you were pretty Sigma. Oh! You were the most Sigma and of the Sigma. Keep imagining that my Sigma, remember Skibbity, Ohio is... Is that a compliment? Thanks, Jokey. I appreciate you. Hi, puppers. Welcome in as well. Welcome in as well.
Hey Shark, just in case no one has said this to you, you are pretty Sigma. You are the most Sigma.
Ow!
Keep imagining that my Sigma, remember Skibbity Ohio is the Sigma.
What? Germa. Jesus, hi Ziggy. Also, Hatchet, if you gotta go run away, I totally get it! Chat's harassing me now. Jesus.
Was that the bite of 87?
Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in, every pony. Also, who is anybody in chat this Sia person? They just kind of approached the group. They're very cute. I see a Hi, Misla! Misla! Everyone go follow Misla. Misla's so cool. Misla's so cool. Welcome in. How you doing? You were playing Disco Elysium? Good ass game. Good ass game. Ziggy, welcome in as well. Look at everybody. Karnan's sleeping. I don't know who the Sia is. Aww. Wait, who's the annoying orange? Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is the annoying orange? Hi, Ziggy! Ziggy's here.
To answer your question, yes, it was a compliment, my Sigma.
Holy fuck. Oh, I can't. I almost said the fuck word in Ponytown. I would have gotten kicked out. I would have gotten kicked out of Ponytown if I said the fuck word. Oh. Wait, everyone said, hey, Apple. Hey, hey, Apple. Hey, Apple. Hey, Apple. Hey, Apple. Hi, Craig. Welcome in. Wait, who the fuck? Who's the annoying orange? I didn't keep track. That's so cute. Don't say fuck. Say nay off. You're true. You're true. That's real. Approved. Approved. We have Fred and we have the annoying orange. What is this? YouTube 2010? Holy shit. Hey, it's Fred. Oh my god. Mr. Figglehorn? Is that a sandwich? Delicious. Alright. Should we go boogie? Should we go walk around? In case anybody's new here or like wants to see where we're currently at, we're right here. Hi, Strap. You're the annoying orange. Oh my god, welcome in. Also, Jokey, yeah, you're good. I was just joshing. Not the fuck word. Of course, Misla. I need to play Disco Elysium still, but it's on my list of games to play. Oh my god, everyone's standing around me. This is a lot. This is a lot. Wait, who is Sia Pony? Who is Sia Pony? Who are they? Who are you? Sia Pony, are you in chat? Or are they just chilling with us? Omega's here! Omega! Hey! Welcome! Smosh died. You're bringing us food. Who's Sia Pony? I think Sia Pony's just chilling with us. They're very cute. They're very cute. I have no idea who Sia Pony is. Disco is weird. Would you play it? I wouldn't. I don't think I would. I don't know who Sia Pony is. Very cute pony. Alright, you brought a cake? What the fuck? Omega, how are you? Knife! Let me give Omega a big shout out. How you doing, dude? I saw you sneak in here at the beginning with a quiet hello. Oh, by the way, if I didn't explain it yet, I have a redeem called a quiet hello. You can redeem it just to like let me know you're in chat, but I will not like bring it up to light. I won't say hi or anything. It's more like a, hey, I'm here. I'm just lurking. You having dinner? Well, welcome in. I don't know who Sia Pony is. None of you are saying anything in chat, so I'm assuming Sia Pony is just a random pony. Hi, Sia Pony. Hi. All right, chat. Tornado formation around Sia Pony. Go. Go. Oh, they're moving! They're moving! Okay, good job. The swarm! This is so fucking funny, dude. All right, let's walk around. Let's see what's going on the map. Let's go walk around. Let's go walk around. Let's go do a lap. Let's go do a lap, my little ponies. We're going down here. This is where the Transformers are. Some of them are right here. Look at all the Transformers. They're so cute. What the fuck is that? Sorry, I'm gonna stop and like look around. The sandwich. My Little Ponies. Also, if you guys see a target we can tornado, feel free. Maybe we can just go up to like someone sitting in the middle of nowhere. Black cat. Black cat in. Whoa, look at that thing. Sorry. There's like a monster called Your Mom. That's cool. Hi, Ivy. Welcome in. That's so fun. Everyone's so creative. All right, guys. Ponynado around this beam. The swarm. Release. I should have went with Ponado! The Ponado! Alright. We're just doing a little lap. You know what? Hold on. Let me look at the map. Where are we? We're way down here. Maybe we'll go up into town. Town's pretty busy. That's the only thing. Wait, oh my god! I was like, wow. Oh! Everyone, look at this. Actually, should we group up? Nah, that's okay. Everyone can just see my stream. Twitch.tv. Hi, Dark Spy! Welcome in! Let me give you a shout out. How you doing? What's up, gamer? We're playing ponies! Ponado! One transform ponies. Murder drone. There are, I have seen some murder drones. Dark Spy, get in here! I mean, if you want. I know. We're bringing Ponytown back. We're bringing it back. Anyway, which way do I want to go? We're going this way. Fred Figglehorn! I need Dandy's World Ponies. I bet there's some. There has to be, right? I wonder if there's like a dedicated location. Gotta find our next victim. Oh my god, is that Peppa Pig? It's George. Oh my god. Oh, that person got scared. George! Oh, George is AFK. Oh, no, they're not. That's really funny. Yeah, Star's in here! Star's among the ponies. That is so funny. Alright, let's keep the group moving. Okay, now this is where it's gonna get very busy. We're gonna go up and around. So we're gonna go this way. It's gonna get pretty busy here. Trying to see where I'm going. Yeah, we're going the right way. Where am I? Oh, there we go. Look at all these ponies! I went the wrong way. My bad. You're Fred! Oh no! I don't know if I've been... Am I going the right way? I think I am. Pony raid, pony raid, pony raid. I wonder if there's dog. Oh no, this is also the wrong way. My bad. I'm trying to find the other top location here. Hold on. Hold on a sec. Where did we just go? That should be right. I'm sorry. Can we go to McDonald's? Yeah, if we find a McDonald's, we gotta find Ronald McDonald. I'm trying to go up and around. Okay, wait, yeah, this makes more sense. My bad. Look at this little raid. Oh my god, this little train. It's so cute. Trying to see what other... I know there's like a DC Marvel area. Oh my god, it's a Pikmin! Red Pikmin. Red Pikmin. Very good. Very good. Very good Red Pikmin. For you. I know, right? I'm starting to get more like stuff on my page, and I'm like, honestly, I'm about this content. This shit's pretty good. All right, let's go around the lake. Oh my god, what did we just gain? Like a whole other fucking horde of people following us here? What the fuck's going on? did we gain like a couple ponies in this? What the fuck? Guys, there's so many ponies following us. God, Hive mind pony. We definitely gained some ponies in this. This is very slay. Alright, we're gonna go back to our location. After... Actually, we should do one more tornado. Let's find a tornado target. Oh, we're going back to town, though. I don't really want to go back to town. We're going down here. Oh my god. I gotta find somebody who's, like, active. I think they must... I mean, I do have the word live in my name right now, so people know I'm live. We can all just start saying twitch.tv/sharksided, twitch.tv/sharksided. We already did this post, but they're AFK. I want to do someone who's, like, not AFK right now. Actually, wait. Is there people around the campfire? You know what? Yeah, we're gonna tornado the campfire. Walk around the fire. Spin. Spin! What the hell? Boy, what the hell? What's going on? Oh, I love this. This is so funny. Alright, let's go. I guess we'll go back around. We'll go up this way. Who's being my friend? Sure, whatever. Join the party. We like to party. We like to party. I'm going the long way, I guess. We definitely gained some ponies. This is so funny. Past the Transformers. Past the Wallies. Slay. Alright, back to the edge. Beautiful. Good work. Smile. Good lap. Good lap! Sorry, I haven't been reading chat too much while we were running around. They yearn for the herd. It's the hive mind. It's the hive mind. Ugh. Alright, guys, I'm gonna roll up the rim. We got the... Wait! Where's Toast? Toast, where'd you go? Toast, where'd you go? We got a Regretivator pony here. There's a Regretivator pony right here. Okay, guys, we're taking a little sit break in Ponytown, and we're gonna open my roll up the rim to win, which is our Tim Hortons thing right now. Let's see if I win. Let's see. I'm gonna open it with my teeth. Hold on, give me a minute. Where are they? They're right behind me, right here. They have Regretivator in their name. They might be an OC, right here. Where are they? Chat, I'm being talked to. I'm scared. Where are you, Loon? Greek ponies are below? Greek? Hold on, did I win? I'm still opening my thing. This is being a pain in the ass. Alright, did I win? I did not. I did not! Please play again. Well, good thing I will, because I buy Tim Hortons every day. I think chat just like stopped me. No, yeah, we were. We were all being ponies. I'm sitting by us. Wait, Puppers. Puppers, which one are you? Which one are you, Puppers? Where you at? Where you at? Fish! Where fish? Sorry, I'm cat today. I'm cat. Fish, I'm still fish in, oh. Alright. I'm getting some water. You're a dog pony? What's your name in it? Hold on, I'm looking. What's your name? I don't see you. Where are you? Do I already have you on my friends? This game got no fish? Honestly, if this game added fishing, that would be amazing. Pupper's the dog. I don't know who you are, but sure. If you're friend requesting me on Ponytown, you better follow my Twitch. This is Ponytown, Mooney. It's a free online multiplayer. You just type Ponytown in Google and it'll show up. How you doing, by the way? Welcome in. Where's Puppers? I don't see you. You're on top. Am I? I don't see you. I don't see you. What happened? Where did you? What? Is it fine? Oh yeah, we've been running around like crazy right now. It's a lot of fun because you can customize very well in this game. This is my Sunny pony, as you can see. I can't find any. I wonder if there would be more on like the 18+ server. I know there's just like so much on others too. Oh, okay, Worm, got you. Ah. Who's Galaxy? Right? Is that Berafina? Ooh. Oh yeah, I have a FNAF pony too. I don't know anything about this game. It literally... Skibidi toilet. Toast, beat them up with a hammer. They said skibidi toilet. Saul Goodman! Saul Goodman! Look at Discord. Okay, hold on. Hold on. How dare you ask me to look at the Discord? Where am I looking? Stream discussion? Where am I looking? Where am I going? Skibidi's base though? Damn, you're kinda right. You're kinda right. Now Omega has an axe. Great. Is that Pharma? That's Pharma. Slay. Oh, they left. Shit!
Mother, I also wanna be a pony. Can I at least have that?
Mori, it's funny you say that, because check it out, guys. Let's see if I even have it in here. It's funny you say that, good sir. Oh, wait, where's my Mori? I had a Mori plush. I just have a Sunny. I have a baby Sunny. Wait. I literally have Mori somewhere. I thought I did! Oh, wait, no, there is. I lied. There is Mori. Look, check this out, okay, Mori? Because you want to be in the game so bad? Check this shit out. You're already in the game, brother. Look at that! Oh! Oh! Look at that! Boom. Boom. It was in oh, okay. Why can't I see Puppers? What? Was Puppers somehow blocked? Hold on, let me go look at my friends list. What the freak? How do I see people who I've blocked? Chat box. I can't see you, Puppers! What's wrong? What is of the matter? Hi, Sivo! Hi again. Oh yeah, let me go in the water. Thanks. Hold on. Wait, why can't I see Puppers? What's happening? It's fine. No, I need to fix it. Hold on. What the hell? That is so weird. I don't know. How do I see like I don't know how to see people at that is that is really weird. What? Huh? Okay, well, as long as you can see me, I guess. The group. Aw, thanks. Aw, thanks, guys. Who's whispering to me? Who's talking? Who's whispering in my ear? Oh, Worm is. This is so cute. Who is Sia Pony? Sia Pony is still here. Also, we got, was it Micah? Michelle? Bless. Sia Pony. I think the next pony I want to try and make is like... Oh wait, what? Puppers! Now I can see you! We have puppers! Yeah! I can see puppers! What the hell? That was so weird! Oh my god. Club Penguin? Is Club Penguin in here? What? Am I the only one streaming Ponytown? Hold on, let me go look. Am I the top Ponytown streamer right now? I found my people! I'm the only one streaming Pony. No, wait! There's one other person! Maybe we raid them. Maybe. I'm gonna say, top Ponytown streamer. We found them! Wait, the person streaming? My invisible potion must have worn off. That's so funny.
Sid is best cat and or pony and or shark.
Rancor, what's up? Thank you for those biddies in the sub! Welcome in, sir! Welcome in, gamer! What's up? Wait, Sibo's here! Sibo's here! Sibo is in the house.
Beep.
Beep! Rancor, thank you for the resub. How you doing? How you been? Welcome in. Well, the robots are fighting. What's going on over here? Hey, Random! Thank you so much! So I just have the Heddlefield one to remind you to drink some water! Guys, the robots are fighting. I'm just gonna... Yes, everyone drink some water. You know what? I will do that right now. And thank you for the follow. Listen to this. Shark Deems for my people. 2, but it's something. Thank you so much. But yeah, no, your English is very good. Welcome in. There's an audience. They've noticed. They've noticed. Everyone look away. Everyone look away. Turn your heads. Turn your heads. Turn your heads. Turn your heads. Turn your heads away. Nuh-uh. Thanks for the follow. Welcome in.
Insert a texto en español por KC.
Random, I will remind you though, the chat must stay English, just easier to moderate. Dude, I swear to God, who is Sia Pony? Everyone start like inching away. Everyone start like inching away slowly. just slowly walking away. Angry face. Oh, I love the Starscream ponies. Good sports. That's so funny. I'll learn how to ooh, but I'm afraid I might do accident ooh when I should it. What do you mean accidentally? Excuse me. All right, we got a whole squad in here. What's going on over here? I want to join. What's going on over here? Ooh, miss input. Mosh pit! How does one join your server? Like my Discord server or this one? We're just on, so if you're on Ponytown and it says choose server, We're on what's called the safe server. Oh, in a normal chat. Oh, I hear what you mean. Bunny! What's the bunny doing? What's the banana doing? Yes, join me. Be friends. I gotta like learn all the buttons. Oh my god, evil bunny! That's not good kitty. That's evil kitty. Oh, Endo! That's cute. Bro, I swear to God, who is Sia Pony? Who is this? Oh, that Noelle is so cute. What is going on? Oh. They were chasing. What the fuck? Toast, what were you doing? Toast, what were you doing? I keep my controls. Scary bunny! That's evil kitty! Oh crap, this place is huge. So here's the map. Here's the map for anybody looking for where we're chilling right now. We are right here. This group of green. Right by this river. So if this is spawn right here, you go down a bit and then you go right. And then you just keep going. You just keep following the pathway. You found you! Which pony are you? Why is Rainbow Dash crying? What happened? That's good, kitty, I say as I pet on kitty. No, that's evil kitty. We all need to say something scary at the same time for people who don't. Okay, what should we all type? What should we all type? What should we all type? Oh, there you are! God is coming? Oh my god! That's scary! That's scary! Let's do it. Okay, everybody in all caps, type, but don't send it right away. Type, God is coming. Should we go somewhere to do this? Should we go to, like, spawn? Should we go to spawn? Spawn is crazy. Look, there's a banned speedrun? What? You can't say you I won't get banned for saying God is coming. Streaming right now, by the way. All right. Well, we should go somewhere and say it. That'd be funny as hell. Where should we do it? I want to do it where people are. Damn, there's a lot of ponies here. Damn, I can't breathe. Who is this? That's a lizard. Womp. Sibo, it's one of you. It's a lizard. Bye, Tuna! Hey, where's the meetup? Hi, Clement. Hi. Clemmy, sorry. Hello. It's coming. Should we not mention God? I guess you're right. What, Nightmare. We could just say Nightmare. The lizard is watching my stream! Hi. Oh my god, hi. Nightmare, Nightmare, Nightmare. Yeah, we can do Nightmare. Among Us! Nightmare! God is too scary to trust. You're right. You're right. Look at you guys. Oh! God is the nightmare. Alright, we should go somewhere to just nightmare it up. I'll stop and say night. Yeah, we have to stop and say it at the same time. And then run back here. So you have to pretty much be watching the stream. Oops. Oh, thank you so much! This is my persona. No, yeah, nobody say Nightmare until we have to count it down on stream, pretty much. So, I don't know where to go. Should we go to spawn? Or should we just go somewhere random? God, there's so many ponies here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm shy. Guys, I'm shy. Oh! Hi, Spencer. Chat, I'm gonna fangirl. I got a cookie from Shark. Okay, I think it's about time the squad moves out again. Okay, everybody queue up the word nightmare, though. Everyone queue up the word nightmare. We could go to the cookie run people. Are they? Okay. Everyone, like, copy the word nightmare and get ready to paste it when we go on.
Man, I'm just a silly little guy. I'm too stupid for crime.
Skelly! What's up? Let me shout you out, sir. How you doing, my man? We're about to go scare some people. What's up, dude? Welcome in. All right. Who the fuck? What is this? What is that? Green pony. Oh, wait, it's Spampton. Sorry, what about Cookie Run? There's the Cookie Run fandom in here. What about Campfire? Should we go back to Campfire? You know what? Let's go take a stroll and let's target. Are you going to sleep? Good night, Ara. Thanks for chilling out. Thanks for chilling. I appreciate you coming by as always. Ooh. Banned in 5. No! Okay, let's go scope out our target. Let's go take a stroll. Let's go take a stroll. Oh! Let's go take a stroll. Let's go target. Let's go target something for a nightmare. We could just nightmare the Wally's Wonderland people. Look at this train. Shark evil? Yeah, I'm a little fucked up. Where are the Cookie Run people? Oh, they're right here. Okay, that could be a good spot to gather. That could be a good spot. What the fuck's here? Is that goddamn squad pull? Squad pull up. We're going this way. What the fuck is this? Okay, this pond could be a good spot to just like huddle in the pond. We can maybe do that. That could be a good spot. Let's go this way. I mean, I'm pecking! Hey, it's welcome home. I'm sorry. You're right. We can all just like run into a building and do it too. Maybe. There's so many people! Okay, let's leave. I kind of like the pond idea. This way. Sorry. You're gonna give poor onion cookies nightmares. I like people's reactions when we pass by. Holy shit! Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go in the pond. We're going in the pond. Let's do another lap. This pond right here. You guys ready? We're gonna do this pond right here. Right here. Get in. Get in, chat! Ready? Ready? We're gonna nightmare. On 3, 2, 1, go. And we leave, and we leave, and we leave, and we run away, and we go, and we just leave, and we just go away. We just leave. Oh! Escape! Run! Oh, beauty and grace. Beauty and grace. This is our meeting spot. Jarvis, clip that! Exclamation clip in chat! How's Ponytown been so far? It's been so chaotic. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. Good job, every pony. The swarm does grow. Oh my god. We got more. Hello, groupies. I am live right now on Twitch. Good shit! Wait, are we a cult now? Yes. Yes, we always have been. What is a circus raid? Oh! Cult! Wait, what if we all made matching ponies? Wasn't that the goal? Should we all make matching ponies to, like, be the last activity we do? Hi, Fluffy! I did see you get in here. What should we do? What should we make? Okay, what should we make? I'm curious. What would be easy for everybody to do? Shadow creatures with, like, red eyes? I do like the idea of shadow creatures. All black creatures with red eyes. Is that what we're gonna do? I think we can do that. I think that would be easy. Shouting cult. I'm not gonna do that just because that's a touchy word. And I might get banned. Hey, I'm not stinky! Alright, I thought you were going to bed. Why is there a crowd? I'm streaming. I'm twitch.tv/Sharkside. You do kind of smell skelly. Damn. All right, let's all make shadow creatures. That's what we're doing. We're gonna be shadow creatures, and we're gonna run around. Let's do it. This one, I'm gonna name my shadow creature, Sirius, because he's so dangerous. Electra Prime, welcome in. Okay, everybody, we're making matching ponies now. No, I'm naming him Thundercloud. No, I gotta name it me so people know it's me. Sharksided. Live. Okay, we're making shadow creatures. Yilva, hi! Welcome in! Okay, I can't see what people are talking about while I'm making a pony here, so y'all can plug me or something, I don't know. Whatever. I gotta make mine crazy. He shall be named Victorian. I need base color. Darkness. Actually, wait, let's do like, so we can still see the details. Tornado Sunny! Darkness. You'll be named Darkness, because that's the color of his heart. I got it, Cookie Princess. That's good. We're making, if anybody's just coming in here, we're making shadow ponies, and then we're gonna run around the map and be crazy. We're gonna be fucking crazy, dude. I'm not gonna do too much detail, but I'm gonna make it cool. Oh, fuck! I fucked up. I'm not done yet. Don't look. Don't look, I'm not done. Damn, look, we got some shadow ponies. Let's go. Okay, hold on. This is gonna be our last activity of the day. Making darkness ponies. I'm gonna name mine some old lady like Margaret. Wait, are we doing pure black? We're doing shadow creatures, so we're doing like dark black creatures with red eyes. Yeah. So I'm just like adding random details to mine for fun. Let's do like a gradient. Ooh. Unless someone already has like a pony that's like a creature, that works too. You don't have to make one right from scratch if you don't want to. If you don't have to, if you don't want to. Imprisoning me! Skelly, how you doing, by the way? I know you're on a little bit of a hiatus for getting ready for your big celebration stuff, which is very exciting. I hope you've been having a good rest. A good break indeed. Did you guys know Skelly just reached 1K? Kind of a big deal. Alright, what should we give it? Feet? Ew! Toes? You know what? Toes are pretty scary. Let's do that. Horns? Actually, we'll do... Ooh, I want to do antlers. That's gonna be cute. I'm straight chillin'! I do intend to make a pony with the black white eyes. Call him. Ooh! Oh, you're the lizard! Hello, welcome in! Welcome in, lizard. I love your lizard. Your lizard pony caught my eye right away. I hope you're doing good. Welcome in. Welcome in. Oops. There we go. I'll just do like dark ones. We'll just make it all darkness. Super dark. Crazy. Should I do wings? Should we fly around, be little evil guys? Yes. Then we back to working on that thing! Fuck yeah, baby. Well, you have a few things. You have a few things. Oh, I got you, Ara, don't worry.
I love you, bitch.
Good night!
Never stop loving you, bitch.
Abracadabra. I have a few. I have a few. I was gonna say you have ref sheet, and video lore question mark. I don't remember. Omega, I don't have a stim button yet. I don't have a stim button yet. But if you do want to add more stims to my Discord, feel free. Skelly, if you have any vocal stims you want, you like, feel free to. I'm gathering a bunch of stims right now for a redeem. Yeah, well, the thing is, also, Omega, it's gonna be, an actual Twitch. It'll be an actual Twitch redeem, like the squares, and it'll come out of Mori. Alright, what kind of hair am I gonna have? Ooh! You know what, maybe something smaller. Actually, that's kind of cute. That's kind of slay. Should we do a gradient? Yeah, let's do a gradient. Oh! I'm live! We'll do blue, we'll do a little lighter on the gradient side, love that. Ooh, I get too carried away with shading in this game, I swear to God. I swear to God. I'm behind you? I can't see anything right now because I'm making a pony. I'm already seeing you guys. I'm already seeing darkness ponies. I'm almost done. I'm almost done, my fucked up creature. What is that? Oh, that's just like more hair. Okay. Okay, we're getting creative in here. I love it. Ooh, and this is just pigtails. Damn, there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of, How often do you play? I'm honestly gonna probably make it like a bi-weekly thing, on stream at least. So probably more often now that I'm enjoying it, and I'm assuming you guys are enjoying playing it too. So I'll probably more often soon. I did play it last week as well, so more than most, I would say. I'll probably start doing it more. I find this activity to be very fun. Ooh, that's slay. We'll do that one. We'll do that one. Hey, they were the pets. How you doing, Yilva, by the way? How you doing? I hope you've been having a good night. Alright, that's cute. Alright, we're getting to the eyes. Oh, hello tracking. There we go. Dark red! Red because they're evil! My whites? Also red. Shark, I got myself one skill replica hidden blade. Whoa!
Shark.
That's sick. Welcome in. How you doing, Blaster? Sound Blaster? Oh, Hamburglar. Okay, more red. More. What is this? Oh, I don't know. Doesn't really affect me. What the hell? Oh, that's the top of the eye. Oh, okay. That's fine. I'll make it black. And we need this to be oh, red. Woo! We'll do dark. A little darker. Guys, I'm cooking. One of the judges is saying we're crowding their spot. Well, too bad! Tell them to follow me on Twitch and then we'll move. Boo-hoo! It's a free game. Hi, Lorax. Welcome in. Oh! Yeah, I'm a little bit silly. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. We're gonna leave any minute now. Just say we're getting ready for a raid. This is now the shark-sided spot. Sorry! I'm gonna have little fangs. Evo, no. No! Mr. Beast is here? Oh, fuck. I better finish. I better hurry up. Oh, shit. I wish Germa was real. Guys, has anyone seen a Germa pony yet? Items. I think I'm good. I think I look pretty slay. You know what? Is there... Actually, yeah, I want to do that. I want to do like a bandit mask. That's cool. There's a Gleep Glorp? Oh, we should have done Glorpies. You know what, guys? You know what? Next Ponytown, Glorpy raid. We're gonna do a Glorpy raid, okay? We're gonna do a Glorpy raid. I'm gonna give you guys like 2 days to prepare. We're gonna all make Glorpy ponies, and we're gonna raid. We do a Germa too. Okay, guys. We're cooking. Also, an ad break is coming up. Just be fair warned. But I think a Glorpy raid would be really cute. Just little green. Mimo, mimo, mimo. Alright. After the ad break, we ride. After the ad break, we ride. So prepare thyself. Hello, Rochi! Welcome in. Hello, how you doing? Honestly? Oh wait, I'm missing a part. Zeep Zorb Zabazoo. You can't say that! I think I'm done. Is there any way I can get the eyes? You know what? Hold on, let me see if I can. Ooh. Ooh, wait, can I make these like red? Ooh! Oh wait, that's kind of cute, not gonna lie. That's kind of creepy. No, I don't want to do that though. Gosh, I have to go in a sec. I might miss the attack! Oh yeah! Oh no! Chad, my creature's so cute. Guys, if you want to share your ponies, by the way, like just any personal ones, feel free to put them in the Discord. Oh! Okay, no, I'm not smelly. Alright, go to bed!
Baby man, little baby man, little baby man, little baby
man. Hold on, I gotta fix the leggings. They're too bright. They're too bright. Let's darken that up a bit. How you doing, Lorax, by the way? Hope you've been good. It's almost Friday. Can't wait. By the way, Ponytown is free to play if anybody does want to join. You can't really see it. We're in like the top right of the map right now. I think it's so funny that the JoJo people were getting mad. I'm like, okay, it's a free game. Anybody can go anywhere. Can we make a cult, please? I mean, we're kind of making a cult right now. Not gonna lie. This is my pony. This is my darkness pony. Actually, kind of slay. I think that's all I can do, unless we do like, ooh, wait, that's a vibe. Yeah, okay. All right, guys. So the ad break is gonna hit, I think, soon, but we can just wait for people. Oh my God, look at them. Look at everybody! Holy shit. You guys did so good. Damn, Margaret. Shadow Wizard. Money gang. Oh, look at that creature. Oh, that's cool. Look at that guy. Whoa, what? We love casting spells. Someone's got purple hair. Edgelords! Edgelords! Am I welcome? Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Live stream gang. All right. My warrior cat's face is so back. Are we just gonna walk around the map? You know what we'll do? We're not gonna like gather anywhere. We're just gonna walk around the whole map as Shadow Gang. That's what we're gonna do. Clump. Oh my God, yeah, if we all clump together, then like we can disperse as a group. Holy shit. Yeah, we'll walk holding shift. You're right. If you hold shift, you guys, then you walk a little slow. Who's actual Shadow Wizard Money Gang in the red? Oh, that's actually so cute. Oh my God. All right, I'm just gonna plug my stream willy-nilly before the ad break hits here. And I'm gonna go on an ad break a bit early, just to get more water. And I will be right back. back, and then we're gonna shadow raid. Let me get you guys some music before we go here. All right, I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Back to the lab again, not again. Back to the lab 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 again, not again. Back to the van.
Let's go get away. Bang, bang, one thing that I say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. That like me, it's hard to keep up. I'm on the floor, I love to dance. I'm feeling more, till I can't stand. Get on the floor, like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am.
I'm doing this tonight. You're probably gonna start a fight. I know this can't be right. Hey, baby, come on. I know that I can't say no more. It ain't no lie. I wanna see you out that door, baby. Bye, bye, bye. Wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game or two. Bye, bye, bye. Shine me, hate me, but it ain't no lie, baby. Bye, bye, bye. Wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game or two. Bye, bye, bye. Shine me, hate me, but it ain't
That's not the right song. That's okay. Ads are almost over anyway. Ponytown players when their digital space gets taken over. I don't have a crying baby noise, but you know what I mean. It's ridiculous. Please, please, I'm trying to sit here. I'm trying to sit here and not type or interact with anybody. All right, guys, we're about to raid, and I mean in-game. Oh. Yeah, that. Dead ass. Welcome back from ads. It's silly time. This is gonna be our last activity of the day before I have to go. Let's get on over here. Remember, we're gonna be waltzing around the map holding shift, and that's what slow walking is. Anyway, if you're new to Ponytown players can be kind of like butthurt at anything you do. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Alright, let me get everything here ready. I guess I'll just start going. Let me look at my route. Hold on. If we're going from here, what we're gonna do is cover the most space we can. We're gonna go here. So here's what we do. How do I do that on mobile? Oh, I don't know. Actually, I've never played this game on mobile.
Huh?
I mean, if you gotta walk a little fast, that's okay. We're gonna pretty much go like this. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go up here, around. We're gonna go down, past this spawn area right here. This is like the main street. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go we're pretty much going around. Oh, see a pony! Listen, they're really cute. I just don't know. I have no idea who they are. And we're gonna go up and around, back, and I don't know. We'll end up in the river somewhere. I don't know. All right, here we go. All right. What are they talking about? What are they yapping about? All right, I'm leaving. We're leaving! We're gonna get so many funny reactions. We are traveling. Oh no, Nart! It's okay, I'm sure you can catch up because we're walking. This is so cute. Oh, look at this community. The voids, the darkness. Oh, look at, we got a couple other ponies. Oh my god, look at, we're gonna see how many people we can gather before we leave today. Oh, bye, Herman. Oh my god, look at the shadows! Look at the shadow ponies, they're so cute! Alright, we're gonna go all the way down. Excuse me, coming through! Just a bunch of shadow ponies, nothing to worry about. It's so silly. Oh, look at, holy shit, there's so many people here, dude. Oh god, I'm gonna get fucking lost. Okay, we're going down. Bring it around town. Hey, Minecraft Cat, welcome in. How you doing? Good to see you. How you doing? Shadow Wizard money here. This fucking person. Oh my god. Look at these ponies. Is that, oh, it's a scout pony, guys! Like, there's a scout pony with us. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my god, he's so cute. What is this? The Shadow Wizard money game. Oh, bye, Herman. Kitty left. Germa. Hold on. This person's being weird. There we go. do a craft night. Oh, craft night! That sounds so much fun. Who's Druma? Who just asked that? I'm coming to you guys. We're gonna be wrapping up here very soon-ish. But we got about like maybe 20 minutes left. We're just doing a funny raid right now. Being funny. That's so cute. Alright, we're going around the river. We're going around the river. The horde. The horde. Help! Help! What? I think the reactions are my favorite part.
Okay, we're not gonna go to the JoJo spot because they're gonna get fucking mad.
Oh, let's go up here. What's going on over here? I'm pretty sure this is that fucking Has-Been Hotel area. Alright, guys. We're going in our corral. We're going in the cage. Get in the cage. Get in the cage, Shadows. Alright, excellent. Lovely. Lovely. What am I fucking doing? Am I typing? Where am I? Ugh! There we go. Excellent! Enter and be devoured. You made it! Which one are you? Where are you? I gotta find you. It's so silly. Oh. Everyone run! Run, bitch! I'm the bat one? The bat one. Oh, okay, I already have you friended. Excellent. Okay, awesome. Now we're just the void in the cage. We're just rats in a cage. Let me turn my Herman cam off. There we go. Hey, good raid, guys! Good raid! Caged animals. Are these people mad that we sat near them? Are these people mad that we sat near them? We literally went into an empty space. See, this is what I mean about Ponytown people. They're crazy. They're crazy. I literally brought us to an empty space and they're like, what's going on? I don't give a fuck, dude. It's a free game. Block us. Block all of us if it bothers you that much. Let's see. Do we want to do a tornado? We can do it. Literally! Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Hi, Sample Gaming. How you doing? I saw that that Adventure Time cosplay. Feed us! Feed me! What's going on up here on this picnic table? What's going on up here? No! Get back! Get back!
Hello.
Back, demon, back! The tornado in the pen? Alright. You know what? Let's do it. We can do like a... Oh my god, it's Blitz! Guys, Tornado Blitz! Tornado Blitz! Tornado Blitz! If we can, he's not, he's oh, never mind, he left. We're not allowed to go outside the cage, so we gotta tornado him. We gotta tornado Blitz. Yes! There we go! Leader. Oh, this is so funny. Oh look, it's the other pony. That's enough of my soul. I'm forgetting I'm streaming. I'm just like zoning out, having so much fun. Okay, wait, everybody, like don't tornado this pony, but just stand, like try to make the best circle you can around him. Try to make the best circle around this pony. Try and make the best circle. Yeah. Everybody's like, maybe yes, I don't know. This is so fucking funny. Oh yes. Perfect. Just chilling. Hey, that's a nice carrot. This is so funny. This is so funny, dude. God is coming. No, stop saying that! Oh my gosh. Alright, let's Cody! What's up? Thank you for the resub at 43 months, dude. Holy shit. Holy shit, my guy. Oh, what's up, man? What's up? I'm leading a Shadow Wizard money gang right now in Ponytown. Then clean us. Oh. Who's saying my username? Who is my username? Somebody is named my Twitch name. Did I see that right? Or am I wrong? So I think someone just said it. What the fuck? Yes, go on. What's up? What's up, baby? In bed. Oh, you're sleeping! Cody, you gotta join us next time we do a Ponytown raid. It's very fun. It was you! That's so funny. Stop, that's actually so funny. The beasts have calmed down. The beasts have been chilled. And there's just 2 random ponies with us here. A couple of other ones. Alright. I think this is where we can end. This will be a good end spot, because then when we come back next week, or no, not next week, 2 weeks from now. I'll do this bi-weekly, I think that'd be fun. And then we'll all spawn in the pen. Shadow-sided. Dark-sided. Me when I'm evil and twisted. Here, let me switch back to Sony. I like, you know what? New OC alert. Uh-oh, new OC alert. Oh my god, Noi! Your rainbow zebra's so cute! Ah! Mr. Mr. Beast! Oh! Shadow-sided, it's sunny, but just Shadow cosplay. I couldn't recognize anybody. We all had like our fucked up evil twisted names. Margaret. Shout out to Margaret. Ow! Oh. Dude, this has been so. Where are all y'all on the map? Here, we're gonna wrap up here. I think we're just gonna like just sit here for a little bit. We're gonna wrap up. Y'all are a cool group. Aww. That's so nice of Lily to say. That's so nice. I hope we're okay. Be honest with me. Were we a little too disturbing? Like disturbing for Ponytown, as in like disruptive? I think we were okay. Besides the JoJo fucking people getting mad, but whatever.
I think for the few hours you're live, they will survive.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. sorry, Vero. We're right here. We're right at the top right of the map.
I think people take themselves too seriously in horse games.
Literally! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. If you're gonna sit on a digital horse game and get mad when another person does the same thing, I'm sorry, but you might be in need for a little bit of a.
Might be a redneck.
Yes, you might be in for a little bit of a self checkup. I am normal now. What's going on? Ow! Gotta do this more. Who's that? Oh, is that oh! Oh my god, stop, Vera, you're so cute! Oh my god, look at Vera! Ah! Oh my god, in Minecraft cat! Ah, you guys, look at, I've seen all your true forms. Oh, there's Floof! I didn't even see Floof come in here. Holy glorp, Vera real! Vera's real! New pony's gonna go crazy. Oh yeah! The rainbow one, I love it. We are well behaved. You guys are well behaved. You guys were like, what the hell? Wait, Karna, who are you talking to? Is there somebody in chat right now? Oh my gosh, sorry, I just saw Herman. Or are they watching? You mean a mosh pit? Oh! Hi, Lily! Hi! Everyone in chat say hi, Lily! Look at all these ponies! Oh my god, see, I forgot people were here because we're all shadow person. We got Star still? We got Star here? Yeah, we're probably gonna be doing this, I don't know. I think doing this bi-weekly would be really fun. Cause, oh, there's Lily! Hi! Hi, good to see you. I think doing this bi-weekly would be fun, just like a fun group activity. Cause we can do it during stream and also like dedicate to it. Okay, I like that. I like what I'm picking up what we're putting down. And you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna do themes. Oh my god, hi guys! Thanks for the follows! Ow! Hi Lily and hi Notarian, welcome in. So, yeah, I think well, Karnan, were you here when I was talking about the themed raids? Because I think next time, who said it? Somebody said, I don't remember what the other topic was, but there was a Glorpy raid. Did we lose Nart? Yeah, she disconnected. Yeah, she disconnected. Yeah, Nart disconnected. Oh, and right, and Germa, how could I forget? How could I forget? Yeah, I think we can do like Glorpy. So what we'll do, right? So since we're gonna, you guys were so cool. You're so cool. Thank you for being a chill Pony Town player. Yeah, we were just running around being silly today. You're that expert on Germa, right? Correct. So what we'll do is I'll, when I post the schedule for like the week that we're gonna play, I'll like let you guys know the theme, and then you guys can prepare your ponies ahead of time so that we don't have to spend like a chunk of like the stream actually like making ponies really fast. I want people to put some detail in, you know? The Ponytown creator is super in-depth. So I think that would be fun. Who's that? Green Noi. All right, I'm gonna go sit with Omega here, and we're probably gonna wrap it up. I'm getting a little sleepy. That was fun. That was really fun. I don't think I've laughed so hard during a stream than this one, like in a hot minute. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, Omega's in the works of Glorpy. You guys are already getting started. All right. Oh, Darkspine, you're coming! Okay, wait, we gotta wait for Darkspine to get here. This is where we are, by the way. Bro, this is a great time. We have to do this more, guaranteed. Guaranteed. You know what's really funny? During my, so you know how I post promotion for streams almost every week? Well, not every week, like during the day of a stream. Miss Jackie liked my Ponytown post. I was just like, oh, hi, ma'am. Hi. You want to come play Ponytown? They were streaming. Oh, I'm so glad. Not to be parasocial, but this felt like a VC. It did. It did. No, it's okay. You're fine. You're fine. You know what's funny? You know what's funny, guys? Next stream, I'm playing the game called Parasocial. That's really funny. Omega's pony is so cool. I know Omega did such a good job. All right, we're waiting for Darkspine. We're just gonna continue to hang out here. Wait, Darkspine is here! Yeah! Oh my gosh, hi Darkspine! Yay! Darkspine is arrive! Darkspine arrive! Yippee! Darkspine's here! Let's go! Hold on, let me get another shout out for Darkspine. If you guys aren't following Dark's so great. Mario Kart 8? Oh, that's a game I haven't played in a hot minute. Funk yeah, baby. We got the whole crew! Alright, slay. We just gotta keep getting the homies in here. You know what's funny? Starboy Blue was here last time showing off his Transformer ponies. So good. All the fellas! All my fellas. Exactly. Such a fan. Can I get an autograph? Darkspine! Darkspine! Can you sign my hoof? Can you sign my hoof? Alright, guys. I don't know who some of these. Oh shit, we're getting a raid! Buttons! Welcome in! Hi, everybody! Hi, every pony! Welcome in! How y'all doing? Is that damn goddamn? Yes. Maybe. Maybe there's a story about that, but hold on a second. Raiders, welcome in. My name is Sharksighted or Sid. How at special events? Ooh, what were you doing? Let me know after these messages.
Let me tell you.
Buttons, welcome in. Yes, we're playing Ponytown today. Today's a little bit of a community day. So all of these ponies surrounded me are mostly members in chat, and we've been running around. We did a few raids. It's been a lot of fun. How was your stream? Welcome in. Also, yes, for the user asking, this is Tarn. Well, the top of his head. Tarn is my favorite Transformer ever. He's my Pookie. That is the special interest. That is the one my brain grabbed. So I have an asset of him sitting here. Welcome in, you guys. I hope you had a good stream. Buttons, welcome in. Good to have y'all. Good to see everybody. Good to see every pony. I hope you had a good stream. Welcome in. For those who don't know, I'm Sharksighted or Sid. I'm a variety streamer VTuber. I do a little bit of everything, and today we're playing Ponytown. I had brand new models. What? With cleaning up some oh my god! I'll have to check that out. That's so exciting! Congrats! Shit! Everyone go check out Buttons. Oh my gosh, that sounds so much fun! Well, thank you for the raid. We're honestly probably gonna wrap up here a little bit soon here as well. We were just chatting. But welcome in. If you have to go after your big stream, I totally get it. I totally get it. If you have to go to bed or go eat, feel free. Don't feel like you gotta stick around, okay? Appreciate it so much. Welcome in. Thanks, I had months of, oh, that's amazing. No, dude, that is such a good feeling. Big claps to you. Hey, can we get some clappies in the chat for buttons? That's awesome. Pardon, Shark, random question, T or sub? What's the difference wait, what? What's sub?
Huh?
What do you mean? T or sub? Which would you, what does sub mean? Like Subway? I'm so confused. Subway, that's what I thought. What do you mean? I'm picking T. Because I don't know what you mean. A whole submarine. Food or drink? I said tea. Safe bet. Yeah, I'm not betting on the unknown. Okay, everybody. Is everybody in their dedicated spots here? I'm gonna actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait till the daytime so the lighting's better, and then I'm gonna take a group photo. Okay? I'm gonna take a group photo of everybody. So stream will end when the sun comes up. I'll take one submarine, please. Ah, this has been so much fun. Oh! Oh shit, you want a tail wiggle? God damn, I don't think. God, I'm just big! Oh god! Hold on, I'll wiggle my tail for you. Give me a sec, Oh! Where's. Oh, fuck. Hold on. What if I close this? Okay, there. Here, sorry. Why am I. Oh! Okay. There's a little tail wiggle going for you. Big cat. Oh, guys, wait, I was gonna show you a new redeem real quick. Well, not new, but I added this model to. Ow! Thank you, Sample, for that follow as well. This redeem works on this model now. Check it out. Kinda cute, right? All right, let me move back.
Baby man.
Brother, oh!
Little baby
Oh!
man.
Oh!
Baby man. Little
Ow!
baby man.
Baby man. There we go. Ow! The Smash Brothers old color. Exactly. Yeah, it kind of works. I mean, the hair gets like darker, but hi worm. Hi. All right. How long is the day cycle in Ponytown? I don't remember. Oh, thank you for the water. Thank you for the water. You don't know notice any difference? My eyes get more blue and the hair around my head gets a little darker. Oh! I almost disconnected there for a second. That was scary. Let me center up so I can get a good picture of everybody. There we go. Egg! Egg! No! Okay, damn. Oh, okay, guys. We're just bored.
I think you can press T to wait and skip time. No, wait.
That's
Skyrim.
I was gonna do that. Okay, now you're just pressing buttons. Now you're just pressing buttons.
I filled this one with sewer gas.
It stinks. It stinks. Fish. Wait, guys, look. Guys, there's a lineup of ponies here. What's going on here? What's going on? What's going on here? Hi. Hello? Hello, officers? Whoa! Are they kicking us out? Are they kicking us out of the party? Oh shit, I'm scary now. They're not saying anything. We're good noodles here. Margaret. Who let Margaret out? What the Sigma? Wait, back up, y'all, back up. Hey, let them in. Back up, hey, back up. Hey, back up. Whoa. Give them some space. Whoa. we're in jail right now. Fair. They said we can stay in jail. Anyway, I think wait time is like 10 minutes. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, they're leaving. Bye. That's see, this is why I love Ponytown. This shit right here. That's so cool. That's so cool. All right, sorry guys. Let's why am I switching everything right now? I went from bald to blind to brunette, and now I'm bald again. This is your fault. See, that's why I love Ponytown. That shit's so cool. Just like, okay, bye. All right, everybody get in the spot they want, because I'm going to take a group picture as soon as the sun comes up. That was cute. We're going to get rid of— oh, ow! Okay, hold on. We're going to take a picture right now. Dark has to leave. Okay, everybody sit down somewhere and stop talking, because I need a clear shot of the screenshot. Everybody get in their spaces. I want to get a screenshot with Dark before they leave. Rookie, get out. No, it's okay. Everybody can be in here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. All right. Perfect. Wait. Oh, there we go. Are we good? Is everybody good? Okay. Sibo, sit down. Please. Okay, there. I got it. Okay, we're good. Good night, Dark. Thanks for hanging out with us. Appreciate it. It's good to see you. Yippee. Alright, we'll wait for the daytime and I'll do one more and then we can wrap up. I'm turning off my raids as well because we're gonna be done soon. Ziggy! Ziggy, did you, is that your alt account or a different Ziggy? Huh?
Huh?
What?
Was that the bite of 87?
You can turn off raids? You can! You can pause them. It's, if you want me to show you later, I can. It's in your, stream manager. And you can add it into your quick actions. Probably different— we have 2 Ziggies! This is insane. Well, hello, Ziggy number 2. I haven't played this game in so long. I fear this is the most fun. Oh, yeah! That's the whole point, dude. That's the whole point. I shall look into that. Yeah, it's really handy. All right. We're just waiting. Doppelganger. I think— is Ziggy still here? The Minecraft cat. I think Ziggy left. Well, the other Ziggy. Bro, 2 croutons, 2 Ziggies, 2 runes. I'm the Manticore? Where are you? You're Lisa? Welcome in. Hi. EA Sports. Yeah! Hell yeah, let's go. Well, welcome in. We're just chilling for the rest of the day here. Because we had a bunch of raids. Well, we ran around and we're silly. Everybody's okay, I think this— oh, look, it's the officers. They have their masks off. They took their helmets off. What are they doing? Oh! Oh, never mind. They're changing back. Literally debating on just hopping onto Ponytown and just chilling. Same! Same! I might just be like chilling in the Discord on Ponytown sometimes and like making more ponies. Because I want to make a Tarn pony, but that's going to take fucking forever. Pony Tarn. And I want to make some more. I want to make like another Sunny one, but with the outfit Sunny has. And I also want to do— I could. That'd be hard. I could do like Mori. Wait, I want to be— I know, I'm like, I have so many ideas now. Ah! Oh my god, is that Hatsune Miku? Literally debate. Wait till they find out I'm actually 45 people in a trench coat. I know, the disco officers are so cool. They must be in like a big VC or something, a big call. A cow? I want to see. What else do I have? Oh, I have Mangle. I have Mangle from FNAF 2. Skelly! Skelly, good night. Oh, strawberry cow. Oh, that is so cute. Gonna head out for the night. Big stinker. Good night, Skelly. Brother, what the hell? Can I shout you out again? fuck, I have to wait 1 minute. Okay, we'll wait 1 minute and 11 seconds. But, Skelly, have a good night. Thanks for lurking, brother. Have a well-deserved night, sir. Appreciate you. Sometimes come off if a raccoon had internet. That is so true. I knew today would get a little gremlin energy. This is why I chose this. This is why I chose this model to stream in today. So. I love the strawberry cow. It's so cute. It's so cute. Everybody's so creative. All right, I'm waiting to shout out Skelly. Yeah, daylight is coming. Is that Jax? Stop! Why do I keep like disconnecting like that? That's weird. Hold on, let me move down a bit. There we go. Sun is a deadly laser. Wink. Ooh. Ooh. I was gonna say a bunch of people ended up getting lanterns, and I was like, that almost works. Hold on, I think I can shout out Skelly now. Everybody go follow Skelly. Skelly is... Okay, Twitch, you're pissing me off. Okay, whatever, I'll shut him out normally. Thanks for everybody who came by today, by the way. This was a lot of fun. By the way, best way to know when we're doing these again will be the Discord. You can join just to get notifications if you want. You don't have to interact. There's a lot of roles you can pick. And normally for pinging these, I will choose the streaming or game night pings. Yeah! Yeah, baby! Alright. Alright, I'm almost ready. You want me to be... Honestly? Stay the Manicore, because you've been sitting as the Manicore pretty much the whole time here. So yeah, that would work. That would work. First web fishing at Ponytown? Yes! Yes! And here's the best part. This game's free! You don't gotta spend a dime! And the only time you would spend money in this game is if you want to, like, get a supporter role or something. And that... Web fishing? Yeah. Sometimes we have web fishing nights. I kind of had to put them to the side for a little bit to organize other stuff, but... Alright guys, it is daytime. I'm going to take another picture! Can I... Yeah, okay, I'm gonna get this close. There we go. I'm gonna get everybody in the square here. Don't move, Sibo, don't move! Good morning! Alright, nobody talk. I'm gonna grab the tool. Everybody, yippee! We're gonna take that picture. Alright, and got it! Cute! Alright guys, we are gonna wrap up here. Slave, I got it. I got it. Everybody can disperse now. Alright, I'm gonna log off Ponytown here. Thanks for being so silly today. This has been so much fun. I will say this has been very successful. This has been very successful. Yes. Thank you for introducing me to this game. No, I feel like I'm gonna invest more. Yes, yes, create. Get creative. By the way, just saying this now, but it will be in about 2 weeks' time. Next like mass group we'll do is Glorpies or aliens. So if you want to work on that, an alien invasion! Oh my god, you're so smart and handsome.
Whoa.
All right, that'll be the next stream though. All right, guys, let's switch on over here and let's see who we can go invade with a raid. Someone be the UFO. Holy shit, true. What? Oh, I'm in the corner. Hello? Yeah! All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Raid the one person. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you for hanging out. That was so fun. All right, let me go to Twitch here. Maybe. Hold on. Let's go see who's live. Ow! God damn! Thanks for hosting. Thanks for coming out and hanging, guys. That was a lot of fun. It was very successful. That was very chill. All right. What? All right. There's a bunch of people live today. Trying to find somebody good. Hi, Fluffy. Hi. Hi. Oh. Sorry, I saw something. I'm so glad you guys had fun. That was awesome. That was very nice. Hold on. I gotta raid somebody first. Hold on. Give me a second. I'm looking. There's a lot. You know what? Let's go do an art stream. Guys. I'm gonna pass this chill time over to another chill time. We're gonna go raid somebody who is doing an art collab stream, who is called Captain Coco Charms, who's live on stream with Popsicle. And they're both doing art. Matt! Yeah, we will raid Matt. Matt's a cool gamer. They're doing some art. Matt is awesome. So is Popsicle. They're both doing some cool art stuff. All right, our raid message is gonna be exactly this. Where is my haunt emote? Here we go. This is gonna be our raid message, because that was pretty much the topic of today. Shadow Wizard Money Game. So feel free to copy paste this raid message. If you don't have my emotes, feel free just to use any that you may have, which might work. Loon, why didn't that work for you? That's weird. You're subscribed. Why didn't that work? That's weird. Very, very weird. Anyway, we're gonna go raid Matt and Popsicle tonight. They are streaming some art and hanging out. So please make sure to, give them a follow once we get over there. And they're just having a good time. All right, thanks everybody for hanging out. Again, we'll do another one here in about 2 weeks' time. Maybe, yeah, we'll do about 2 weeks' time. Gives us enough of a break. Discord, if you want to join. That's the best place to know what I'm up to, what we're doing. Next event will be on Saturday, actually, guys, in 2 days. We are watching Sinbad in the Discord. So if you've never seen that movie, now's your chance! That'll be on Saturday. And if you ever want to watch a VOD, I upload all my VODs to YouTube. And I have a Blue Sky. I post funnies there. Wait, what time is Sinbad? Right now, I think I have it at 5 p.m. MST. Let me check. Holy shit, the screenshots, you guys, are so funny. Sinbad is 5 p.m. MST. You can check in the Discord too. I might miss it. Is there a time I can maybe change it at? Let me know, Karnan. We can talk about it. It's no big deal. We'll see. I'm pretty flexible on Saturday, so. All right, guys. Enough yapping. It's time for me to leave. Thank you, everybody, for joining me tonight. This has been a blast. And I'm very excited for the next time we decide to do this, which will probably be in about 2 weeks on the same day, Thursday. Okay. And that is all I have to say. That is it. The show is over. All right, let's go get Matt some love. I'll see you guys on Sunday back here on the stream. And make sure to take care of yourself, take care of others, and always be a kind person. Never forget that. All right, I'll see you guys. Have a good one.